Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer in Little Alchemy. Let's get started. First, combine water and earth to form mud. Then, take that mud and mix it with fire to create a brick. Remember, you'll need 2 bricks for upcoming steps, so make sure to produce both of them now. This initial process lays the groundwork for your brewing adventure. Now, let's gather some more essential elements. Start by combining water and air to produce rain. Once you have rain, mix it with earth to grow a plant. This plant is a crucial component. Next, take your plant and combine it with fire to transform it into tobacco. These steps are vital for building towards our final product. We're getting closer to our goal. First, combine plant and water to create a swamp. This might seem unusual, but it's a key step. Then, mix that swamp with earth to cultivate bacteria. Finally, take your bacteria and combine it with another plant to produce alcohol. This is where the magic of fermentation truly begins to happen. You're almost there. First, combine the alcohol you just made with water to create vodka. This is an important intermediate step in our brewing process. Then, take your newly formed vodka and mix it with a plant. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted beer in Little Alchemy. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.